Okay, I'm just going to show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this BMW 5 Series. It's a 2015. Now, the most important thing is, if you've got it in this configuration, which is the split screen, you've got the other screen at the side here. I'm going to show you what happens. So if you go to telephone, click telephone, that's top right. Bluetooth menu, click Bluetooth menu. And then you've got Barry's phone there. However, there is nothing there to make you think that you'll be able to delete it. If you click over to the right there, it just selects this menu. But if you click on the menu on the right hand side, you see the split screen, there's a tick there. So we need to knock that split screen off. Now, if I go to Barry's iPhone and then click right towards me, where the nav was before, and now I've got rid of the split screen, you've got here configure device and remove device. So you go down to remove device, click remove device. That's it gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth system in this 2015 BMW 5 Series. The first thing we need to do is to make sure that Bluetooth is on. So Bluetooth's on, and then we're watching out at the bottom here. So on the iDrive, we need telephone, click telephone, and you've got Bluetooth menu. Please pair Bluetooth device, connect further devices in Bluetooth menu. So we'll click Bluetooth menu, add new device. It's got hands-free, that'll probably change to BMW unless it's somebody just going by. Oh right, it was somebody going by. So BMW 96259. Here you go. Please use your. So yes, that's the one we want. We'll click on that. Bluetooth pairing request, and here does it match 721177? So we'll click OK there and pair there. It's connecting. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. Allow, and there we go. It's connected at the top there. And here you've got ticks in telephone and also audio. So we go down here, click OK. That's it connected. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream music through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 BMW 5 Series. First of all, we go to, here we go. I'll turn this down. I'm going to control it from my phone, not the volume there, because I can turn it down quicker. If you look at the bottom there, BMW 96259, if we click on that, there's a tick next to BMW. That means any audio that we play on the mobile, so long as you've got it on the media selected channel here, the music from here will come through your speakers. So it's playing. We now need to go to media, which is the top left one. Click media there, and you see there that screen comes up, and my phone is selected. But if for instance it's not, if for instance auxiliary is selected, again you click media, and you need external devices, click external devices, and then your phone, select your phone. So if I turn this up, I can't play too much because I'll get a copyright infringement, but if I turn this up here, that's it. That's how you play music through the Bluetooth system. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the Sat Nav in this BMW 5 Series. So from any screen we select Sat Nav, which is the one on the right just forward of the iDrive. Then you've got the map, so we click once, and that's just highlighting these icons at the side. But if we click again, you've then got a menu, destination input, click that. Country and postcode, so we want postcode. It's the wheel, which is the easiest one. We're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR. Right, now we need the numbers. So that was letters, so we're down to the numbers, and it says further characters there. So we'll tick there, and we're on to the numbers. 5, 4, it's defaulted back to letters. J, S, and then click OK in the middle. It's just got OK highlighted, and we can scroll down to start guidance.
Please make a U-turn if possible.
We're sat on the forecourt and have confused it, but that's how you set the sat nav. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.